In this video, we'll unravel the untold stories of this superfood and answer the burning question: should you really eat avocados every day? So please do stick around until the end, because you won't believe what avocados can do for your health and overall well-being. Avocado originally comes from the sun-soaked regions of Mexico and Central America, once known as aguacate or alligator pears. Their distinctiveness comes from the large central seed, oftentimes called the pit, enveloped by a remarkably smooth and creamy green flesh, which is all encased in a rough but thin outer skin. Interestingly, despite their appearance, avocados are considered berries in botanical terms. However, when it comes to nutrition, they certainly break away from the berry mold. These rather exceptional fruits contain the highest levels of fats, calories, and protein amongst all fruits. They also come packed with fiber, potassium, magnesium, B vitamins, including folate, carotenoids, vitamin E, and so much more. Unsurprisingly, due to all of this, avocado consumption has skyrocketed across the globe. Their irresistible, buttery, and slightly nutty flavor is one reason, but their nutritional value is just as equally compelling. Yet their high calorie and fat content might raise questions about their suitability for regular consumption. So, are avocados truly healthy, and do they offer notable health benefits? For these answers, stay with us to discover what scientific studies reveal about eating avocados daily. Avocados and heart health. Heart disease is a significant concern in the United States these days, affecting people of all backgrounds, and to mitigate the risk of this, adopting a diet rich in heart-healthy nutrients is vital. Remarkably, ripe avocados encompass a unique combination of potassium, magnesium, fiber, folate, monounsaturated fats, polyphenols, and antioxidants. Recent research, as featured in the Journal of American Heart Association in 2022, underscores the potentials of avocados in reducing the risk of cardiovascular and coronary heart diseases by 16 to 22%. A key insight suggests that substituting half a serving of less heart-healthy foods with an equivalent amount of avocado could significantly lower the risk of these conditions. Moreover, another study in the Journal of Nutrition in 2020 illuminates one mechanism behind avocados' heart protective qualities, revealing their capacity to reduce oxidized LDL cholesterol levels, a key contributor to arterial blockages. Beyond these findings, avocados' heart-healthy status is bolstered by their high amount of monounsaturated fat, including oleic acid, which has been associated with lower LDL cholesterol. Notably, these nutritional advantages, combined with their low saturated fat content and the rich potassium levels, positions avocados as a stellar dietary choice for heart health, but it is still essential to complement them with a balanced lifestyle and a variety of nutritious foods to ensure overall well-being. Gut health. In order to promote optimal gut health, it's essential to recognize the significant contribution that avocados can make in this regard. These fruits are rich sources of dietary fiber, a nutrient closely associated with enhanced gastrointestinal well-being. According to the USDA, the United States Department of Agriculture, a single avocado provides approximately 13.5 grams of fiber, making it a pretty substantial step towards meeting that daily recommended fiber intake of 28 to 34 grams, which is advised in the 2020 to 2025 dietary guidelines for Americans. Meeting this daily fiber target is instrumental in nurturing beneficial gut bacteria. These microorganisms metabolize dietary fiber, generating short-chain fatty acids, which play a pivotal role in strengthening the gut lining and cellular health. The presence of prebiotic elements in fiber-rich foods like avocados, when combined with probiotic-rich foods such as sauerkraut, kimchi, and yogurt, yields an array of health benefits. Notably, a pretty interesting 2021 study that was featured in the Journal of Nutrition revealed a strong link between regular avocado consumption and an increased abundance of fiber-fermenting bacteria in the gut. Additionally, it was associated with an amplified production of short-chain fatty acids and a decrease in fecal bile acid concentrations. So, high bile acid levels can contribute to gut inflammation and various health issues, to include gallbladder complications, as highlighted by experts previously. Lowering fecal bile acids can be beneficial in reducing unexplained diarrhea and the risk of nutrient malabsorption. Hence, avocados are a practical dietary choice that not only help to promote healthy digestive function, but also nurtures a flourishing gut microbiome, which is heavily tied to various facets of overall health, including our immune function and weight management. Avocados and eye health. Avocados are more than just a delicious addition to our diets. They can also contribute to maintaining healthy eyes. They're notably rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that play a crucial role in eye health. Research published in the Journal of American Medical Association, also seen as JAMA Ophthalmology, has shown that a diet rich in lutein and zeaxanthin may reduce the risk of age-related muscular degeneration, seen as AMD, which is a leading cause of vision impairment and blindness amongst older adults. These antioxidants function by absorbing harmful high-energy light waves, such as ultraviolet rays from the sun, before they can damage the delicate tissues in our eyes. The concentration of lutein and zeaxanthin in avocados makes them a hugely valuable addition to your diet for safeguarding your vision. In addition to the nice antioxidant properties avocados have, they also contain vitamin E, which further contributes to eye health by protecting the cells in the eyes from oxidative damage. Therefore, including avocados in your diet is a flavorful and a nutritious way to support long-term eye health and potential benefits in reducing the risk of AMD and just maintaining good vision. Avocados and brain health. If you're keen on preserving your cognitive function and enhancing your brain health, daily consumption of avocados could be a beneficial choice. A 2020 study featured in the International Journal of Psychology highlights the presence of lutein in avocados, a compound known to traverse the blood-brain barrier and potentially enhance cognitive performance. Lutein is a carotenoid, or plant pigment, which constitutes a substantial portion of the total carotenoid concentration in the human brain, ranging from 66 to 77%. It's believed to possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can play a protective role for our brains. Moreover, a study in 2021 that was published in Frontiers in Nutrition discovered a connection between avocado consumption and cognitive improvement, particularly in older individuals. Those who included avocados or guacamole in their diets demonstrated significantly higher cognitive scores across a range of cognitive tests. Notably, memory performance showed marked improvement, which is a significant finding, because memory is oftentimes the first cognitive aspect to decline in individuals that have age-related neurodegenerative conditions. These findings underscore the potential of avocados in promoting brain health and cognitive function, particularly memory, among older individuals. Reducing risk of cancer. Another benefit of consuming avocado is that it can help to prevent cancer to some extent. While there is no direct evidence that establishes a concrete connection between avocado consumption and a reduced risk of cancer, avocados contain compounds that hold promise for potentially preventing the onset of certain types of cancer. Research has suggested that an optimal intake of folate, for example, is associated with a decreased risk of developing cancers, like colon cancer, stomach, pancreatic, and cervical cancers. However, the exact mechanisms underlying these associations still remain somewhat enigmatic. Notably, avocados provide a significant source of folate, with just 1/2 of an avocado containing around 80 plus micrograms, which accounts for 21% of the recommended daily value. Avocados are also rich in phytochemicals and carotenoids, which are compounds known to possess potential anti-cancer properties. Recent studies have hinted at the potential of carotenoids to act as protective agents against cancer progression. In fact, a 2023 study made a pretty interesting discovery: a potential link between consuming avocados more than once a week and a decreased risk of colorectal, lung, and bladder cancers. However, it is essential to understand that researchers have not yet found significant associations between the avocado consumption and the risk of total cancer or specific types of cancer. Avocados are renowned as one of the healthiest fruits around, packed with a wealth of essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and important phytochemicals that benefit your overall well-being, including skin and hair health, which we didn't even mention. However, it is important to be informed about potential risks that are associated with avocado consumption in order to avoid any unexpected consequences. If you were to indulge in avocados in excessive amounts, you could experience stomach discomfort or even gastrointestinal irritation. This discomfort can sometimes be attributed to the high fiber content in avocados, which may also lead to constipation when consumed in excess. On the other hand, avocados are water-rich fruits, and excessive consumption might hinder your body's ability to absorb water efficiently, potentially resulting in diarrhea. So while avocados do offer numerous health benefits, moderation in consumption is key to enjoying their advantages without encountering these potential side effects. So, what's your favorite way to enjoy avocados? And have you noticed any health benefits from incorporating them into your diet? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you liked our video, please click the like button and do subscribe if you already haven't. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.